Hello class, welcome you on in math. In today's session, we are will do some questions based on Olympiad and based on advanced level on coordinate geometry. Okay, so are you ready for the today's live stream? So how many students joined with us? Give me a thumbs up and tell me in chat box that my audio and video both are clear or not. How many students? So students, give me a thumbs up fast. Yes. Welcome you all on P and Math. So let's start our session. In today's session, as we uh, discuss that chapter is coordinate geometry and the level is Olympiad and advanced. Okay, so we are going to start very soon our first question of the session. So before that, yes, just share this class with your friends and in your groups and like the class. Okay, now this is the first question of the session. Which of the following can be the coordinates of R? Coordinate R. If PR is equal to the distance PR is equal to, so you have to tell me the coordinates of point R. If PR is equal to, if you look at the images, pictures, you will not see the coordinate R है ही नहीं है. R का कैसे find out? So you in this question, what you have to do, you have to assume a point in the graph that is R, and the condition PR is equal to QR, that is satisfied. Okay, now how we solve? Let's suppose R P x comma y. R एक coordinates है, okay? Coordinates x comma y. So you have to make the distance equal. PR is equal to QR. PR is equal to QR. Now, if you join the line, the midpoint of this can be the answer. Midpoint of PQ can be the answer because if R is here, then PR is equal to QR. But let's suppose the R can be here, R can be here. Here, these distances are also equal. Here, these distances are also equal. So, number of coordinates are infinite in this case. In the infinite, we have to choose which one is present in our question, in our option. Okay, so let's suppose R is x comma y and P is given 0 comma 2. ग्राफ में चेक कर सकते हैं. Yes, so this is P and this is Q. What is Q? P comma 1. Okay, well, now you have to find the distance P, R, and okay. So we will solve the question. P R is equal to R x comma y. P 0 comma and q 3 1 comma 3 चेक कर लेते हैं हम वापस से एक बार 0 comma 2 and 3 comma 1. Now use the distance formula. And what is the distance formula? D is equal to root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2. This is the distance formula. So PR is equal to QR. Now move for the distance. PR is equal to 0 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, 2 minus y whole square, square root is equal to QR. So 3 minus x whole square plus 1 minus 5y square. So this is the equation PR is equal to. I hope till now solution is clear. Steps are clear. I'm repeating again that point which we have to find in the question, that is R, which assumed as x comma y. P is given 0 comma 2 and Q is given 3 comma 1. Now PR is equal to QR given in the question. We know that. So PR, we can use distance formula to find the distance of two coordinates between two coordinates. So PR is using x minus x2 whole square plus y minus y2 whole square square root. The distance formula as we know that. So we have used this formula and written the expression. Now both both side squares present, square root is present. So for remove the square root, we can square on both sides. Square on both sides. Yes, one answer. Simplify. So 0 minus x whole square is x square plus 4 plus y square minus 4y is equal to a minus b whole square we have used. Second one, 3 square is 9 plus y square minus 6x plus 1 square 1 plus y square minus. Now we can cancel out the equal terms, x square y square cancel out. I hope made a mistake. This is x square. So this is cancelled. So 4 minus 4y is equal to plus 4 is 4 minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 9 minus 6 plus 1 minus, so 6x minus 6y is equal to 10 minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. Is the equation. Is on this equation all the points are present, are equal distance from P, and its coordinates of R lies on 3x minus 3y is equal to 1. So what equation we have? 3x minus 3y इक्वल टू 1. मैंने आपको बताया था कि यहाँ पर ऐसे इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट्स आ सकते हैं, यानी ये जो लाइन होगी, लाइन के ऊपर जितने भी पॉइंट्स हैं वो सारे इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर होंगे. तो सॉल्यूशन करने पर हमें एक लाइन की होगी, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ लाइन. Done. See the solution again. I'll give you 2 minutes to ask the question. Anyone? Yes, it's too bad. Minus. Very good, very good. 3x minus y is equal to चार ऑप्शंस में से जो भी इसके इन्फिनिट आंसर्स पॉसिबल हैं विच ऑप्शन करेक्ट शूट जो भी ऑप्शन सेटिस्फाई करेगा दैट विल बी आवर आंसर 1 minus 1 no it will not satisfy 2 minus 2 again it's not satisfied. Okay, you can check that which option satisfied. Now question number 2, the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to a given and the value a is. That's a very easy question. You all can solve this question. Any point which lie on the graph of the equation, that means the solution of the graph. Or if a solution is there, then if we replace the value of x and y, this satisfies. Yes, very. So we have to replace x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 equation, and we have. So that's a calculation based question, not a difficult one. But one thing you have to keep in mind that any solutions means the values are satisfying the equation. Okay, तो हम इक्वेशन में सेटिस्फाई करते हैं 3 into 4 इज इक्वल टू 3 into a प्लस 7 3a इज इक्वल टू 12 माइनस इज इक्वल टू 5 तो a इज इक्वल टू 5 by b. Okay, so most of students and all students can solve these questions in easier manner methods or easy mode. Okay, now let's for the next question. Next question is a good questions. The question number 4. Three vertices of rectangle ABCDs are given. Find the area of the rectangle ABC. Now, question is आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आना चाहिए सर फोर कोऑर्डिनेट्स होने चाहिए रेक्टेंगल यहाँ पर तो थ्री गिवन. So in this question we have to find the fourth coordinate first, then find the area. But for the area you have to find you have to require two things. First one, length. Second one, breadth. This distance. So you can use distance for L into B. So I'll give you 2 minutes to solve this question. Let's see. We'll give the answer here. Your first task is to find the fourth coordinate. आप लोग ट्राई करो तब तक मैं इसका डायग्राम बना देता हूँ. कोऑर्डिनेट comma 2. C is minus 3, comma 5 is x, comma 1. And this question You can find the fourth coordinates. If in the question is like that, find the fourth coordinates, then you can find easy. एरिया वो भी हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. You have to know about the properties of rectangle. That's it. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are per. AB is equal to CD. BC is equal to AD. And AB parallel CD and BC parallel AD. Is the triple. Okay. So anyone in the class who is able to solve the question? No. Okay. Solve करते हैं. So, हाँ थोड़ा सा हो रहा है. चलो. लाइट का इशू आता है. Sorry. Audio video clear now? Video is clear? क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है? गिव मी मिनट. now. Okay. चलो सो करते हैं अब हम. ओके. इस क्वेश्चन को अगर हम एक्सिस पे ड्रॉ करें, क्वेश्चन को हम किस पे ड्रॉ करें? एक्सिस. The axis first is -3, comma 2. This is -3, this is 2, and this is 5. So -3, comma 2, point B, 2, comma 2, 2, comma 2, point A, 2, 2, comma 2, -3, comma 2, and -3, comma 5. -3, comma 5. This point is first point, second point. Now, it's obvious that the point should be here. Those lines are parallel. So the D point should be here. If you required point D, then the answer is 2, comma 5. Yes, D point is 2, comma 5. Distance formula वगैरह कुछ करने की requirement. Now this distance is 5 and this distance is 3. So the area is 5 into 15 square unit. Answer is 15 square unit. Okay, 15 option. I hope clear question. Now let's move. Here is the next question. In the rectangular coordinate system, coordinate systems given below. The shaded region is bounded by two straight lines. Which of the following is not an equation of the boundary lines? Boundary line की कौन सी इक्वेशन नहीं क्या हमें बताना. ठीक है. Again, I'll give you 2 minutes to solve this. Yes. Okay, चलो हम देखते हैं क्या होगा. पहले हम कोऑर्डिनेट्स डिसाइड कर लें कि जो बाउंड्री लाइंस है उनके कोऑर्डिनेट्स 0,0 is 1,0. What is the mid point? So this is the boundary line. Means this is parallel to y-axis. So equation is x is equal to 1. Equation of this is x is equal to 0. Equation of this is y is equal to 0. Okay. So now question says which of the following is not an equation of one of the boundary lines? कौन सी एक equation नहीं है? X is equal to 0 is equation, y is equal to 0 is equation, x is equal to 1 is equation. We don't know the equation. This line we don't know the equation, but no need to worry. We can verify by the points. Now check the options. Check the options here. X is equal to 0. Yes, that's a boundary line. X is equal to 1. ये भी boundary line. X minus y is equal to 0. ये boundary line. इस जगह क्या होना चाहिए? Y is equal to 0. Okay. तो आंसर क्या होगा यहाँ पर? C option is the correct. Which option is the correct answer? C option is the correct. Okay. You can verify अगर आपके दिमाग में आता है कि सर ये जो लाइन है जो 2,0 और 0,1 से पास हो रही है ये भी तो हो सकती है. वेरीफाई करके देख लो 0,1 इसको लाई कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. 0,1 0 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू -1 तो ये इसको सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है. मीन्स ये लाइन ये नहीं है. तो आंसर हमारा क्या होगा? सो इज द आंसर. और इस क्वेश्चन को हमें थोड़ा एस्टिमेट मेथड से ही करना होगा क्योंकि वी डोंट नो द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कंसीडर द following. There are three statements in this question. You have to choose which one is true, which one is false. Any point on the x-axis of the form of 0, The point 0 comma 0 lie on the both axis. The point 3 comma minus 2 lie in third quadrant. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है ये, आप लोग बहुत इजीली कर सकते हो, आप लोगों के लिए डिफिकल्ट टास्क नहीं। ठीक कह रहा हूँ ना मैं? यस कैन ऑल। तो फटाफट से बताओ आंसर। कौन कौन से तीनों स्टेटमेंट में से कौन कौन से स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है? फर्स्ट वन, सेकेंड वन और थर्ड वन। Any point on the x-axis is of the form of 0, i. पॉइंट 0 0 लाई ऑन द बोथ एक्सिस, ये ओरिजिन दोनों एक्सिस पे लाई करता है, ये तो सही है। यानी ये ऑप्शन हमारा सेकंड ऑप्शन इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग ट्रू एंड वी नो दैट सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, तो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट ऑप्शन ए सी डी में ही है। थर्ड वाला भी हम चेक कर सकते हैं, 3 कोमा माइनस 2, 3 कोमा माइनस 2 कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में लाई कर सकता है? 3 कोमा माइनस 2, 3 कोमा माइनस 2 कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में लाई करेगा? यानी फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में। फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में लाई करेगा मीन्स थर्ड ऑप्शन इज रॉन्ग। थर्ड ऑप्शन इज नॉट आवर आंसर, यस डी ऑप्शन इज आल्सो रॉन्ग। थर्ड ऑप्शन, थर्ड स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है, फॉल्स है, मीन्स डी ऑप्शन इज आल्सो wrong. So we can choose A and C. Now we'll move on statement 1. Any points on the x-axis. x-axis पर जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं, x-axis पर कोऑर्डिनेट्स कौन से फॉर्मेट में होते हैं? x कॉमा कौन से कोऑर्डिनेट में होते हैं? x कॉमा 0। बट यहाँ पर क्या दे रखा है? 0 कोमा 8। इट्स नॉट ट्रू। तो सी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट। ओके, 0 कोमा 0 point is this, and this is like in the this axis only and on this axis. So 0 comma 0 lie on the both axes. So second option is the correct one. First one not correct, second one correct, and third one is also correct. So the option is the correct. Is that clear? Okay. Now we will for the next. I hope till now everything is clear. The fourth question. Any questions from your sides? Yes, Jani. Question fourth is study the given coordinate system carefully. Which option hold true statements? Again, there are four statements is given: P, Q, R, and S. After four statements, how many statements are true for the given diagram? In diagram, A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I. Coordinates given. इन coordinates के बारे में हमें कुछ questions, तो कौन से क्वेश्चंस के लिए कौन से स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हैं, कौन से नहीं है? अगेन आई विल गिव यू 2 मिनट टू सोल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट कैन गिव द करेक्ट। एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क इन द चैट बॉक्स। स्टूडेंट्स, यस, दिस session is conducted by me and math, and this is free session. This session is about the coordinate geometry, and we are solving Olympiad level questions. So just share this class with your friends and families to take advantage. Okay, and don't forget to like the class. I'm waiting for your answer. Point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, F, G, H, and point I. The question is about all the points. What is the coordinate of point A? B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. So A is minus 5 comma 6. Yes, minus 5 comma. B in first quadrant. So both coordinates would be positive. 3 and 5. X is 3 and Y is 5. 3 comma 5. C. The fourth quadrant. So positive and negative. So X is 3 and Y is minus 5. 3 and minus. Hence you can see that B and C both are on a straight line. B and C both are lies on a straight line. Why so? Because the X coordinate is same. D. X is 3 and X is minus 3 and Y is minus 6. Third quadrant. So both is negative. E. X axis पे lie कर रहा है means minus 5 comma 0. F. F is on negative y axis 0 comma minus 5. G. Positive x axis 3 comma 0. H. Positive y 0 comma 3. And I. Origin means 0 comma. Now I'll tell you one thing. If in two coordinates, it here for two coordinates A and B, if x coordinate is same, x coordinate is same, they lies on they lie on a line. Yes, they lie on a line. It's parallel to y axis. Okay, और अगर आपको इक्वेशन जाननी है तो दैट इज इक्वेशन इज इक्वल टू x is equal to a. Just focus on this one is equal to. Second point, if a and b are points like this x comma a, x1 comma a means y coordinate is same. So again is it's a line but parallel to x axis and the equation is y is equal to. ये चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है. ग्राफ कुछ ऐसा होगा. This is x is equal to a and this is y is equal to b. इसी चीज का हम यूज कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. तो ये हमारा क्वेश्चन था. नाउ कम टू द स्टेटमेंट वन. What is the statement one? Statement one says The coordinates of points B and D are 3, -5 and -6, 3. B is 3, 5 नहीं. B के coordinates तो 3, -5 नहीं है, 3, 5 and D is -6, -3. No, D is not. तो B नहीं है, तो ये ऑप्शंस फॉल्स. B के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होंगे? 3, 5, नोट -3. Point A is a distance of 6 unit. Point A is a distance of 6 unit from y axis. A कहाँ पर है? 6 यूनिट से y axis पर. चेक कर लो. A y axis पे नो. y axis के लिए हम डिस्टेंस कौन सी चेक करते हैं? x वाली. यहाँ पर ये चीज हम कहाँ से चेक करेंगे? डिस्टेंस. y axis से डिस्टेंस क्या है? ये डिस्टेंस है हमारे पास. कौन सी डिस्टेंस? ये डिस्टेंस. और ये डिस्टेंस कितनी है? 5. कौन सी है डिस्टेंस? 5. तो आंसर ये भी क्या हो गया? रॉन्ग. पी और क्यू रॉन्ग. ऑप्शन ए गलत, बी ऑप्शन बी गलत, ऑप्शन डी भी गलत. वैसे आर ऑप्शन सी सही होना चाहिए, बट हम बोथ स्टेटमेंट को चेक करेंगे. बीजी पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस. बीजी पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस. यस, बीजी पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस. तो क्यों? बिकॉज बी और जी के एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने डिस्कस किया है. तो आर ट्रू है. पॉइंट ई एन जी लाई ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. ई एन जी लाई ऑन एक्स एक्सिस, ये तो गिवन ही है डायरेक्टली. तो पी ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट आंसर. वेरी गुड. ठीक है. द आंसर इज ओनली आर एंड सी आर ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. पी एंड क्यू आर false statement. Now the next question. Study the graph. Again, question is based on the graph. Sum of the abscissa of P and R is. What is the sum of abscissa and P? ये इसका आंसर दे सकते हैं. Janvi, you can give the answer of this question because you know that what is the abscissa and you have to add the abscissa of P and R. This is the P and this is the R. Just add the abscissa. So these words should be known to you. Abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate. What is abscissa? Yes, answers please. No, no answer is received yet. Abscissa is the x coordinate and ordinate is y coordinate. Abscissa is x coordinate and y को हम कहेंगे ordinate. Okay. So what is the x coordinate here is 3 and what is the x coordinate is -6. -6. So 3 plus negative of 6 is equal to negative of 3. So answer is negative of. So in this question, answer is negative of. Okay. Now let's move for the next question. Here is the next question. Question is three vertices of the square ABCD given. Find the coordinate of D and the area of square ABCD. The same question we have discussed for the rectangle. Rectangle के लिए हमने same question discuss किया. आपको बताना है कि यहाँ पर कौन सा ऑप्शन हो. कोऑर्डिनेट्स कौन से होंगे? ठीक है। और उसका एरिया क्या होगा? एरिया के लिए हमें कोई भी एक साइड चाहिए, साइड का स्क्वायर एरिया होगा। तो if side is 7 then area is 49 square, if side is 5 then area is 25 square, side is 6 then area is 36 square, and if side is 7 then area is 49 square. Then the second option area is given in the first column, coordinates of D is here. Choose the correct one. कौन इसका आंसर पहले देने वाला है? Again, I am giving you 2 minutes to solve this question. आंसर्स आ रहे हैं क्या? लेट मी चेक. This session is organized by me and Matt. So don't forget to like the session. Give me a minute. Uh, give me a minute. Just sorry for interrupt. Okay. So let's see who will give the answer. Yeah. Okay. So again, just draw the vertices on the graph. First is 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3. So first vertices is here 4 comma 3. Second is minus 3 comma 3. So second is minus 3 comma 3. Third is minus 3 comma minus 4. Minus 4 will be here. So the third coordinate is here minus 3 comma minus 4. So here square is like this. Okay. So definitely the fourth coordinate should be visible at this position. Now this is 4 and this is minus. So this is minus 4 and this coordinate is 4. The coordinate is 4 comma minus 4 comma 5 minus 4 lies it here. Okay. So the option A is wrong, option B is wrong, option C is D option correct. Now no need to find the distance here because only one option is correct here. But in the question of the area find out karna hai, so we will find the area. Now this distance is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So area is equal to 7 into 7 is equal to 49 square unit. 49 square. So the D option is the correct. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. Any doubt in this question? Okay. Now move for the next question. This question is about the parallelogram. Parallelogram. Find the coordinate of R. In the question, we need to find the coordinate of R. Parallelogram. ओके, आप लोग आंसर्स करो जब तक मैं आपको पैरेललोग्राम की कुछ स्पेशलिटीज प्रॉपर्टीज बता देता हूँ. ए बी सी डी. ए बी इज इक्वल टू सी डी एंड ए सी इज इक्वल टू बी डी. बी सी इज इक्वल टू ए डी. एंगल ए is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. Opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal, and diagonals are equal. These are diagonal. Diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other. At right angle? No, not right angle. अगर diagonal right angle पर bisect करेंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? Rhombus. Okay. Opposite lines are, opposite sides are parallel. इसका नाम जो पैरेललोग्राम है वो इसी के ऊपर बेस्ड है. Because the definition says parallelogram की definition opposite sides equal नहीं है. जब भी आपसे पूछा जाए what is the definition of parallelogram, we generally say that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. No, this is the property of the parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal are the properties of parallelogram. This is not the definition. Definition is that in a quadrilateral, if opposite sides are parallel, pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it's a parallelogram. Okay, that's why the name is parallelogram. Okay, so the properties and definition both are different here. So based on this property, based on the parallel lines property, we find the properties like AB is equal to CD, angle A is equal to angle CA, and diagonal C equal bisect each other. All properties will generate. We will identify. We will prove. Okay, so the definition is lines are parallel. इसी का use करेंगे in this questions. So the answer is, you can see this is a line, but a tilted line, not a straight line. And these both are parallel. Here, SR, PQ, both are parallel. And PQ is x-axis. PQ is x-axis. So SR is parallel to x-axis. SR is parallel to x-axis. So definitely जो भी पॉइंट होगा इसका x, 3 होना चाहिए. What point should be here? X, 3. Now check ऑप्शंस में किस कौन कौन से ऑप्शंस का y कोऑर्डिनेट 3 है. तो ऑप्शन ए रॉन्ग, ऑप्शन सी रॉन्ग, ऑप्शन बी एंड ऑप्शन डी दोनों में से कोई एक सही हो सकता है. अब अगर हम चेक करें तो इनका x कोऑर्डिनेट 5 है, तो 5 अगर है तो ये लाइन ऐसी होनी चाहिए थी. 5 यहाँ पर आएगा, तो ये ऑप्शन भी गलत होगा. तो आंसर इज ओके, आंसर इज डी है. अब आप कहोगे कि सर ये तो आपने ऑप्शंस देख के बताया, क्वेश्चन को सोल्व कैसे करें? ओके, तो वी विल क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन द प्रॉपर्टी. अगर आपको प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन चाहिए तो वी हैव द प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन. Okay, we know that PQ is equal to SR. What is the distance of PQ? PQ is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So this distance is 4. Means SR is equal to also 4. तो ये distance कितनी होनी चाहिए? 4 होनी चाहिए. Okay, ये distance अगर 4 है एस आर अगर 4 है तो एस का जो एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट है वो 2 है, तो वाई कोऑर्डिनेट कितना, आर का एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट कितना होना चाहिए, 2 + 4 इज इक्वल टू 6। दैट्स इट। थ्री तो हमने फाइंड आउट कर ही चुके हैं, बिकॉज एस आर इज पैरेलल टू पी क्यू। तो एस आर का जो वाई कोऑर्डिनेट है वो सेम होना चाहिए, पी क्यू का वाई कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है। द आंसर इज डी, ऑप्शन नंबर। ठीक है, इज दिस क्लियर? तो दिस इज all about today's class. In this class, we have done based on coordinate geometry questions, based on area of rectangle, area of square, distance between two points. We can use if you have proper diagram on the graph. So for rectangle and square, no need to find the formula of distance and all over. So I hope this session is very useful to you and you will learn a lot of things in this session. Okay, so it's time to wind off our session. If still you have any doubt, Amal says, sir, do you explain physics? Amal, this class is about the maths. I can explain physics, but not here. You can ask this thing in class. Okay, so this is not about the class. This class is about the maths. I can explain any query regarding the maths. I hope your query is clear, Amal. Okay, so thank you everyone.